Hi there, hi everyone, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes. In this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday, August the 9th, 2022, we have two puzzles left because the first two puzzles I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok, and the binary. Yes, binary time. Number 4987. 4987. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are the 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And now, I need to think. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Come on. Where is the opening? The opening. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Do I need to compare? Because we have 1 column and 2 rows. Well, I can compare this row and that row. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Double 1 here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Well, only 1 comparing. Well. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.